I just think it's amazing for such a small country, and we are talking about these topics and the space program as well over here. So let's start with Slovenia's latest achievement. This year, on September the 3rd, we have launched the first 2 Slovenian satellites into the orbit. And Tanya, how do you comment that achievement? It was amazing. It was so,
yes.
like, everybody was really...
Yes, it was indeed. But I have to say that this year was really an amazing year. We have many projects to be shown, but nothing compares to the historical, successful launch of these 2 satellites. And these satellites will perform a variety of tasks in orbit, from Earth observation, climate monitoring, science, and as well as education. Of course, this is a magnificent success, and we are happy to see Slovenia on the map of space economies.
Let's take a look at the launch of Nemo HD satellite and more about its constructor, the Slovenian Center of Excellence for Space Sciences and Technologies. Space SI is the Slovenian Center of Excellence for Space Sciences and Technologies that was established in 2010 by a public-private consortium to benefit from microsatellite technologies. The center's research and development activities are focused on micro and nano satellite platforms, an advanced ground control infrastructure, as well as satellite integration and testing facilities. Space SI has developed a high-precision interactive remote sensing satellite designed mission Nemo HD to acquire multispectral images and real-time high-definition video. Nemo HD has been launched on Vega VV16 launcher on 3rd of September 2020.
Now, when we have developed not only the satellite but the complete system, including the ground station infrastructure, the data processing chain and laboratories, I'm very happy in working in this holistic environment.
Space SI has also developed a complete and fully automatic chain for processing from raw satellite data to web-delivered, map-ready images, for many utilized through a dissemination platform Geopedia in real-life situations.
We have one of the most complete infrastructures in the region that can support development of microsatellite technologies.
Space SI is planning to develop new satellites with high resolution, participate in science missions, and wants to enter the expanding business in space economy with new products.
We are developing a combination of real-time video from space and multispectral images, which will generate many new opportunities. And we have targeted several interesting areas, but on the other hand, our platform will be open to globally for all the proposers that would like to develop new video markets that is not existing currently. I genuinely believe that there is a lot of space for Slovenia in space.
Well, Skylabs is the company that constructed the TRISAT satellite, and let's see who they really are. Skylabs company provides new innovative solutions and products in nano and small satellite industry by technology miniaturization, while still preserving fault tolerance in order to assure robustness and reliability as it is expected by much larger satellites. Skylabs company developed a small-scale fault-tolerant soft-core processor 5 years ago, the first such core in the EU, also addressing the European technology independence. Other innovative Skylabs solutions are also already equipping different constellation missions. 3 weeks ago, Skylabs became the first Slovenian company with its technology in space. TRISAT was successfully launched on Vega VV16 launcher on the 3rd of September 2020.
10 years of waiting, 10 years of dreams actually became reality for us. Now we have knowledge, technology, we have also the first experience, so the universe is no longer a foreign environment for us.
Skylabs, together with the University of Maribor, is now building a new satellite called TRISAT-R, which is expected to travel 10 times farther into 6,000 distant Earth orbit, where the irradiation will be several times higher.
For us, this presents another milestone, another huge milestone, because we want to show how reliable can be our platform, and we will actually be the first nanosatellite in MEO orbit.
Their success comes from the enthusiasm that their team was born with, as they recall memories from early mornings at a young age.
I was watching the stars, and at that time I was dreaming about the stars, how to acquire them. Not only me, but also my colleagues. The Skylabs team have similar dreams, and we joined the forces, and today we have the Skylabs company.
With Skylabs, Slovenia has a strong member in space exploration.
And I also believe that Slovenia is already a visible player in this space segment.
We've really seen smart and advanced technologies that are a result of Slovenian engineers, Tanya, and we really have plenty of experts in this country.
Yes, Mojca, indeed. We are known very well as of having a lot of space engineers, space experts that are recognized all over the world. And I must say that also our space experts have been employed within the European Space Agency, and this is really quite an achievement for such a small country as Slovenia is.
And it's nice to see more and more ladies as well in the team.
Yes.
Well, Devisoft is working with NASA since 2005, and let's see their story. Devisoft provides hardware and software for large-scale and complex systems, which have to be measured. In the last 20 years, Devisoft developed award-winning, powerful, yet easy-to-use base for all kinds of tests and measurement applications. Devisoft helps space technology engineers monitor and diagnose events in sensors on highly complex devices, where up to 2,000 channels need to be monitored simultaneously and 200,000 samples per second captured on a single channel. Devisoft provides hardware and software tools for complex solutions for data recording, tracking, model analysis, balancing, etc. Devisoft provides solutions that are used for several testing applications in aerospace or engine and component testing. They have been working with NASA since 2003 on the telemetry application.
Not only that, our systems are used for component testing, for test benches, as well as in the launcher platform all around the world.
Their clients are important actors in the field of space from all around the world.
In the US, we work with all the DoD ranges, with NASA, with SpaceX. In Europe, we work with European Space Agency, with DLR, and then in India, in China, in Japan, in Russia. So basically with all the big guys.
More promising opportunities come with Devisoft's vision.
Our vision is that our instruments will not only serve as the data acquisition, but also as a control real-time front ends.
The first installation of this kind on a big scale is already installed in French Guiana.
I think the team in our company is very dedicated and very passionate about the technology. Our passion reflects in all our instruments and solutions as well.
And another company, Balmar's vision is creating new products for space and aerospace, improving materials hand in hand with reducing cost and time. Balmar is a small privately owned SME from Celje, established in 2008. It provides services and R&D activities for space, aerospace and automotive industry. Since 2011, Balmar has been actively involved into space industry in the area of advanced manufacturing, additive manufacturing with following expertise and activities.
We develop and manufacture different metal parts for structures of space vehicles like satellites or let's say big mirrors. And we also build parts for the propulsional systems, which are for the rocket engines.
In the beginning, Balmar started with aviation business and later got the chance to enter the space.
And we say, why not? Because this is almost the same, but only the altitude is different.
Balmar wants to continue building new parts for space missions, developing technology to build parts in space and repairing parts for space industry. Their vision and mission is to develop and manufacture parts with lower mass and the same strength.
This is extremely important for space industry because if we manage to reduce the mass, we manage to reduce the price of the products and the missions, consequently. And this is what actually everyone is looking for. this industry.
Palmar already established a great cooperation and close contact with ESA, but wants to create new business partners in the future.
To be present in different space missions, we need strong partners, and we would like to be more present or more involved with bigger companies like Airbus, like Boeing, like NASA.
It is an industry with a lot of challenges, but Palmar thinks Slovenia needs to take part in it.
We have a lot of knowledge, also very rich heritage in this area, and we are enough crazy to be part of this industry.
Well, control systems for space technologies are developed by COSILAB, and they are proud to be recognized as a trustful partner by ESA. COSILAB is the world's leading provider of control systems for the most complex machines: nuclear accelerators, optical and radio telescopes, fusion reactors, cancer therapy systems, and much more. With more than 200 experts, they're bringing their excellent knowledge from the world's biggest scientific project like ALMA and ITER into the space sector. They have finished the first project for ESA ESTEC. In the beginning, they oriented into the ground station segment, where they are contributing to the operation of EGSCC, which is the infrastructure to support space systems, monitoring and control in pre- and post-launch phases for all mission types. They are proud to be recognized by ESA as a trustful and competent partner.
Additionally, we are very proud of our team who is working in this field. Even though that space is a new segment for COSILAB, they are showing that we are capable to understand our customers and deliver advanced solutions to ESA. For the future, we are planning to extend our collaboration with ESA and start to develop solutions for the flight segment.
They also plan to collaborate with NASA and other big players from the space segment. COSILAB is pushing science to its limits, and they can contribute a lot with their expert knowledge in the space segment. For the employees, space is their passion.
That's why this work is making them happy, and our vision is that our employees are happy.
They're also constantly striving to be better and to contribute even more to the space sector, thus making Slovenia even more recognized in the space community.
Slovenian researchers and industries has an excellent knowledge and a lot of passion in the field of space. We had already achieved a lot, and we can be very proud about that.
Well, but it's not all about outer space. It's also how we use space technologies on our planet. And we have a couple of very good examples as well in Slovenia, Tanja, don't we?
Yes, indeed, Mojca. And Slovenia has recognized the importance of Earth observation for its economical and societal beneficence. And data used from space is very successfully and increasingly used in public services, such as spatial monitoring, spatial planning, environmental monitoring, and is also used in other sectors like energy and agriculture. And if I may, Mojca, space is today recognized as the industry of the future.
Well, Synergize built an award-winning satellite imagery processing services running in the cloud. Let's check this out. Synergize is a geographic information system company building large turnkey geospatial systems in the fields of cloud GIS, agriculture and real estate administration. It was established in 2008 to develop enterprise-level solutions for managing spatial data, especially for support and land administration and agriculture processes.
Our feet are strongly on the ground since the very beginning. However, when we realized the value of the data that's being available but not used, we thought that we have to do something about it, and then we did.
Synergize built a Copernicus Masters award-winning satellite imagery processing services running in the cloud Sentinel Hub. Sentinel Hub is a cloud-based API providing instant access to petabytes of satellite data globally, used by tens of thousands of people every month and processing more than 500 million of requests every month. The Sentinel Hub is not just a good technology demonstration and a good business case, but also an essential contribution to fighting climate change. as it is raising awareness about the environment, providing daily insight in the state of our planet to every person with internet and a web browser.
The climate change is probably one of the most important things that it's affecting all of us, and being able to see really what's happening on a daily or weekly basis throughout the planet, that's something that is really powerful. And I believe that we are kind of changing the ways how people understand the processes in the world.
Their next challenge is how to automatically extract information from satellite data.
Slovenia, like our company, is a tiny piece in the mosaic. That being said, with 250 million of requests being processed every month, the impact of our work is being felt throughout the world. And people might not know that we are coming from Slovenia, but they certainly feel it.
And let's look at another company that works in the field of geoinformatics and spatial analytic solutions, Geocodis. Geocodis is a private SME specialized in geoinformatics and spatial analytic solutions. Geocodis started as a provider of quality of services platform for mobile phone industry, especially focused on visualization and monitoring of important key performance parameters. They use space technology and spatial data to explore Earth and to provide important solutions to their customers and provide them useful data of water bodies, land cover changes, built-up areas and other. Geocodis is present in several African countries, Uganda, Kenya and Rwanda, with web-based and mobile solutions that monitor accessibility and reliability of piped water systems in rural environments.
We would like to use the satellite imagery to detect changes at build-up areas and combine them with existing water bodies data that will help Ministry of Water and Environment to make better plans to better invest their yearly budget.
In the field of Earth observation, Geocodis developed and maintains portal for the detection and analysis based on Sentinel-1 and Sentinel-2 images. In future, they plan to expand their services.
We would like also to integrate our services to new areas, to new projects, which we did not start yet. At the moment, we integrate them into water sector, but I know there is plenty opportunities still for them, but we need time.
Geocodis is on a mission to take care of our planet.
As a responsible adult, we have to use all possible technology and experiences that we have to preserve planet Earth as a green, beautiful planet. That's because this is the only planet we have.
Last but not least, we have a company which produces radomes that protect transportable antenna systems and is also exploring constructions of habitats on Mars. Duol. Duol is the global leader in the field of air-supported structures technology, and they have two excellent space-related references.
Vision for this our space exploration came from our experience. You cannot explore space if you haven't state-of-art technologies. And 30 years of experience in this our field, it is enough that now we can with proud say we are ready to do this.
The first one represents radomes, envelope protection for antenna systems. Radome protects antenna systems while providing outstanding electromagnetic transmission performance throughout a broad range of frequencies. It improves pointing and tracking accuracy and extends system operation time to 24/7, regardless of weather conditions. Protected from the environment, radome extends the component lifetime, reducing maintaining costs for the antenna system. Radome can operate in extreme weather conditions and is equipped with an innovative solution for supervision and automation. Second one is maybe even much more important, or as they say,
Duol is already on the way to Mars.
They are developing habitats on Mars, which is a project in cooperation with the American Space Agency and the UK universities.
If we are talking about the space technologies, then for sure this is just first step. It's the beginning of this development.
The future of Duol is bright as well for Slovenia.
This is beginning. Now it's already, we can recognize that partnership in European Space Agency was an excellent move. more and more companies each day. We are working with the space. And if Slovenia is nowadays known as a small and a beauty country, I am absolutely confident that in the nearest future it will be known also with significant contribution to the space exploration.